Okay guys, we got one here a little on the rougher side. This one fits Dakota short bed. Dark green in color, 6.5 foot bed Dakota. This one measures 81.5 inches long by 63 inches, which means it'll fit pretty much any Dakota from 82 to about 04. It'll also work on the 05 and newer ones. It's just going to be a little bit wide at the back corners, but it's lengthwise it'll fit just fine. This one's got some issues. This is why it's going to be a cheaper price unit, but it does have some bunch of scratches on it. All the glass is intact and solid. It does have a lot of scratches on the top and paint blemishes. As you can see, there's one there. I mean, there's a bunch of them there. Honestly, it looks like it might have been stored upside down. But you can just see a lot of blemishes and spots in the paint, and I don't know, this is just like tree sap or something. It doesn't come off very well, but you can probably get it off. Chips and scratches, and pretty much it's all over on this one. The bottom edge here is all kind of scratched up. Does have the third sliding window in it. Has some seals coming loose here. They can be popped back in there. Maybe a little bit of glue or something, but they pop right back out. A couple seals coming loose there. Front edge scratched. It's what we'll call a hunting special. If you want to use this to do some hunting this fall, perfect unit for that. It'll keep your stuff dry. Do a little camping in it, but it's not going to be pretty. Scratches and chips pretty much all over this unit. Sliding window in the front. More scratches down the bottom of this one. See a bunch of paint blemishes on the roof. And some scratches down the sides, top edge here. Has a third sliding window on this side as well. Does have the single T-handle locking rear door. The interior is just a bare fiberglass. See the sliding window in the front there. Both these windows slide. You have a couple small holes. A hole there in the screen. Another one there. Other than that, the screens don't look too awful bad. Some holes in this. There's a couple holes right there in the screens. A couple right there. Really not too awful bad though on the screens. There it is, cab high fiberglass ARE unit. Fits the Dakota short bed, 6.5 foot bed. Fit most years of Dakota. If you're not super picky, it'll work on all Dakotas with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link to find out which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online. Any of that stuff can be done online there, off that link there. There's also a link to the unit. Oh, sorry. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, ladder racks, bed storage solutions, things like that, decked units, we have all that stuff online for purchase on our website. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up when you purchase them online, and we'll have it ready for you when you decide to pick it up. Thanks for watching.